Want a quick and easy way to get a glimpse into your overall health and longevity? Imagine if you could have a simple, almost effortless method to assess your well-being right at your fingertips. Well, you do. Look no further than your own two hands. Yes, your hands can tell you a lot about your health. The 1-minute grip test is a simple yet powerful tool that can provide valuable insights into your well-being. This test is not just for athletes or fitness enthusiasts. It's for everyone who wants to keep track of their health. All you need is a hand grip dynamometer, a device that measures your grip strength. This small, portable device can be easily used at home or in a clinical setting. Here's how it works. Hold the dynamometer in one hand and squeeze it as hard as you can for a few seconds. Make sure to give it your best effort to get an accurate reading. Record your best attempt and repeat the test with your other hand. It's important to test both hands to get a comprehensive understanding of your grip strength. Compare your results to age and gender-specific charts to gauge your grip strength relative to others. These charts are easily available online or through health professionals. What makes this simple test so significant? You might wonder why a grip test is so important. Grip strength is more than just a measure of hand power. It's a reflection of your overall muscle strength and function. It indicates the health of your muscles and can be a predictor of your physical capabilities. Studies have shown a strong correlation between grip strength and various health outcomes, including longevity. Research indicates that people with stronger grip strength tend to live longer and have fewer health issues. A weaker than average grip strength can be an early warning sign of underlying health issues and an increased risk of age-related diseases. It can indicate potential problems such as cardiovascular diseases, diabetes, and even cognitive decline. On the other hand, maintaining a strong grip throughout life is associated with better health, greater independence, and a longer lifespan. Regularly testing and improving your grip strength can contribute to a healthier, more active life as you age. So, how can you improve your grip strength? Incorporate grip strengthening exercises into your routine. Simple activities like squeezing a stress ball, using hand grip strengtheners, or even lifting weights can make a big difference. Additionally, maintaining an overall active lifestyle, including regular physical activity and a balanced diet, supports muscle health and overall well-being. Remember, your grip strength is a small but significant part of your health puzzle. By paying attention to this simple yet telling measure, you can take proactive steps towards a healthier, longer life. So, grab that dynamometer and start squeezing your way to better health today. Grip strength is like a vital sign, says renowned health expert Ed Jones. It's a simple, non-invasive measure that can tell us a lot about a person's overall health and well-being. Just like your blood pressure and heart rate provide crucial information about your cardiovascular system, your grip strength offers valuable insights into your muscular health and beyond. But what makes grip strength such a powerful indicator of our overall health? The answer lies in the interconnectedness of our bodies. While it might seem like grip strength is solely dependent on the muscles in our hands and forearms, it actually engages a complex network of muscles, tendons, and nerves throughout our entire body. From our hands to our arms, shoulders, back, and even our core, a strong grip requires the coordinated effort of multiple muscle groups. This interconnectedness means that a decline in grip strength can be a sign of weakness or dysfunction in other areas of the body. It can also indicate underlying health conditions that affect muscle mass, nerve function, or overall fitness levels. Numerous studies have investigated the link between grip strength and longevity, and the results are compelling. The relationship between how strong your grip is and how long you live has fascinated scientists for years. This connection is not just a coincidence, but is backed by substantial research and data. Research has consistently shown that individuals with greater grip strength tend to live longer, healthier lives than those with weaker grips. This is because grip strength is a reflection of overall muscle strength and function, which are crucial for maintaining good health as we age. Stronger muscles help support our bodies, improve our balance, and reduce the risk of falls and injuries. One groundbreaking study published in the prestigious journal followed over 140,000 adults in 17 countries for 4 years. This extensive study provided a wealth of data that allowed researchers to draw significant conclusions about the importance of grip strength. The researchers found that grip strength was a stronger predictor of death from any cause than systolic blood pressure. This finding was surprising because systolic blood pressure has long been considered a key indicator of cardiovascular health. However, grip strength proved to be an even more reliable measure. This suggests that grip strength could be a more reliable indicator of overall health and mortality risk than some traditional health markers. It highlights the importance of muscle strength in maintaining health and preventing diseases. Regular exercise and strength training can significantly improve grip strength and, consequently, overall health. Another large-scale study published in the analyzed data from over 50,000 adults and found that those with weaker grip strength had a higher risk of dying from heart disease. This study further reinforced the link between muscle strength and cardiovascular health. This association held true even after adjusting for other risk factors such as age, smoking, and body mass index. This means that regardless of these other factors, grip strength alone was a significant predictor of heart disease risk. These findings highlight the crucial role that muscle strength plays in maintaining overall health and preventing chronic diseases. Strong muscles are essential for supporting our bodies, enabling us to perform daily activities with ease, and reducing the risk of chronic conditions such as diabetes, arthritis, and osteoporosis. Grip strength, as a simple and accessible measure of muscle function, can serve as a valuable tool for assessing longevity and identifying individuals who may benefit from targeted interventions to improve their health. Regularly testing grip strength can help healthcare providers identify those at risk and recommend appropriate lifestyle changes, such as increased physical activity and strength training exercises. Incorporating grip strength exercises into daily routines can be simple and effective. Activities such as lifting weights, using resistance bands, and even performing everyday tasks like carrying groceries can help improve grip strength. Community fitness programs and group exercises can also provide support and motivation for individuals looking to enhance their muscle strength. By focusing on improving grip strength, individuals can take proactive steps towards better health and longevity. Setting fitness goals, working with healthcare professionals, and celebrating milestones can all contribute to a healthier, longer life. The science behind grip strength and longevity is clear. Stronger muscles lead to better health outcomes and a higher quality of life. While the grip test is a quick and easy way to assess strength and predict longevity, it's not the only measure. The grip test, which involves squeezing a hand dynamometer as hard as possible, is a popular method because it is simple and requires minimal equipment. However, it primarily measures the strength of your forearm muscles and may not provide a complete picture of your overall physical fitness. Other simple tests can provide additional insights into your overall fitness and risk for age-related diseases. These tests can be easily incorporated into your regular fitness routine and can help you identify areas where you may need to improve. By regularly assessing your strength and fitness levels, you can make more informed decisions about your health and wellness. One such test is the pull-up challenge. This test is a great way to measure your upper body strength and endurance. Pull-ups require you to lift your entire body weight using your arms and back muscles, making them an excellent indicator of overall upper body strength. Can you hang from a pull-up bar with your feet off the ground for at least 30 seconds? This test not only measures your grip strength, but also your ability to maintain muscle tension and control. Hanging from a pull-up bar engages multiple muscle groups, including your forearms, shoulders, and core, making it a comprehensive test of upper body strength. This seemingly simple task requires significant upper body strength, particularly in the muscles of your back, arms, and shoulders. It also tests your endurance and ability to maintain muscle contraction over time. If you can hang for longer than 30 seconds, it indicates a higher level of muscular endurance and strength. Studies have shown that individuals who can perform more pull-ups tend to have better cardiovascular health, lower body fat percentages, and a reduced risk of chronic diseases. This is because pull-ups are a compound exercise that engages multiple muscle groups and requires a high level of cardiovascular fitness. By regularly performing pull-ups, you can improve your overall fitness and reduce your risk of developing chronic health conditions. Another alternative test is the single-leg stance test, which evaluates your balance and lower body strength. Balance is a crucial component of overall fitness and is often overlooked in traditional strength training programs. The single-leg stance test is a simple yet effective way to assess your balance and identify any weaknesses in your lower body. Stand on one leg with your other foot slightly raised off the ground, and time how long you can maintain your balance without putting your foot down. This test challenges your balance and stability, as well as your lower body strength. It also requires a high level of core stability and coordination, making it a comprehensive test of overall fitness. Aim for at least 30 seconds on each leg. If you can maintain your balance for longer than 30 seconds, it indicates a higher level of lower body strength and stability. This test can also help you identify any imbalances between your left and right legs, which can be important for preventing injuries and improving overall performance. This test not only assesses your leg strength, but also provides insights into your core stability and coordination. Core stability is essential for maintaining proper posture and preventing injuries, while coordination is important for performing complex movements and activities. By regularly performing the single leg stance test, you can improve your balance, stability, and overall fitness. Incorporating these alternative strength tests into your routine can provide a more comprehensive picture of your overall fitness and highlight areas where you may need to focus your efforts. By regularly assessing your strength and fitness levels, you can make more informed decisions about your health and wellness. These tests can also help you set realistic goals and track your progress over time. Remember, maintaining strength throughout life is crucial for preventing age-related decline and enjoying a long, healthy lifespan. Regular strength training and fitness assessments can help you stay active and independent as you age. By incorporating these alternative strength tests into your routine, you can improve your overall fitness and reduce your risk of developing chronic health conditions. So, take the time to assess your strength